Hi guys, today I will be making a shirt with this bleach art gel that I purchased from Magnolia Design Company.
Okay, guys, so the last shirt um did not go well. The last shirt didn't go well, so um this is how it looks. So I'm gonna make a few changes. You see that you have like some spillover of the bleach here because of the type of stencil thing I was using, I guess. So I'm gonna make a few changes to see if that helps it out. User error, not the bleach. I'm just gonna try again. So I have another t-shirt that I bought from Michaels, and this time I'm going to use the Make Market permanent vinyl and roll it on the shirt with a brayer to see if it'll stay down better when putting the bleach on. So another thing that I'm going to do different is I did not iron that shirt before I put it on, and that may have caused some of the bleach to spill over because you have all the wrinkles and stuff in the shirt. So I'm gonna press my shirt really quick with my Cricut heat press. Okay, so I have most of the wrinkles out where the design is going to be, and now I'm just gonna make sure I get it in the center.
Okay, so I just sped up the video because this part actually took me a little while because I decided not to use transfer paper. But anyway, I just took my time with taking the stencil off of the paper. Of course, you can see it's getting stuck, but I wasn't sure if I tried to use transfer paper, if it would actually stick to the shirt, or whether it would be pulled up when I tried to pull up the transfer paper. But I probably could have used like something lighter to transfer it. But anyway, I just did it this way and it still worked out fine. Even though I decided to cut out my own stencil, Magnolia Designs do sell stencils. So if you just don't feel like cutting it out with your machine, or you don't have a Cricut machine, you can definitely purchase stencils from them. Okay, so now that I finally got the stencil up and ready to put on the shirt, I just made sure it was centered and then slowly put it on the shirt, making sure that some of the stencil parts weren't stuck on there. And then I used my brayer to make sure that it was stuck on the shirt. And this is something different that I did. The first shirt, I definitely did not use the brayer. I just put the stencil paper on there, and I think this step was very important with not letting the bleach spill through the stencil.
And now I'm going to use my Magnolia bleach gel and my little putty applicator.
Okay, so when you first open the bleach, you will have to mix it in because it will be a little bit watery, and that's fine. You just need to mix it in until it gets smooth like this, and then start putting it on your shirt.
Guys, I forgot to put the okay, I forgot to put this behind it. Please remember because it will go through the shirt. I didn't put a whole lot on just yet, so I am praying. Okay, whew, we're good.
So yes, guys, please remember to put something in the middle of your shirt so that the bleach does not seep through to the back of the shirt. So I am just taking a little bit of the bleach gel at a time and putting it on there. I think the first shirt I probably put too much on where it was kind of seeping through, so that was something else that I changed. So just don't put too much of the bleach on at one time. And then I go in with my heat gun, and I did ask Magnolia Designs about the heat gun, whether it was needed or whether we could just let it dry by itself. And they said yes, but it would take longer. And they suggested, if you don't have a heat gun, to make sure you sit it outside in the sun so that it'll dry a little faster.
So, all right, guys, as you can see, we have some small little mishaps here. Got some bleach here. I got some bleach here on the back of the shirt. And I'm positive I probably got like a little spot up here. But that's okay. You just got to be real careful with this bleach. But now for the reveal. And hopefully we don't have any on the back of it. From where I forgot to put the silicone in. Alright, so now for the big reveal. So far, so good. Okay, so we once we put the stuff up, y'all see like there's a few little stragglies that came up with it. They're dry, so they shouldn't affect the shirt. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. Okay, guys. So for the most part, this looks really really good. The only thing I have is that right there, which I probably didn't braid it down very much, but the permanent vinyl definitely helped with keeping the bleach on the inside of each letter. And this was a small little mishap. These, I don't even think that's bleach because it doesn't look necessarily like bleach, but yeah, because it can come off. I don't know what that is. But the only spot that I kind of got a little extra bleach on is here and here on the arm. And that was from the bleach being over on that side. And the back, y'all, it didn't get messed up, so we're good. Just make sure that you do not forget to put your silicone mat under the shirt, or else it will go through the back. So, that's it, guys. I think that went pretty well. That was pretty good, and I don't mind it being, because I had to go back over some spots because you could see the black in it. So I had to go back over some spots with the bleach, but I don't mind it being kind of funky looking, different textures or whatever. Like this one is brighter, deeper white color, and this kind of looks like you know whatever. I'm okay with that. Um, but I think that was pretty good. This is the first one. As you can see, I used the stencil paper with this one, and you can see that it went through the different letters. And this one is the last one that I just did, and I think it came out great. So, go get you guys some bleach art gel from Magnolia Design Company. And then show me what y'all did. Show me y'all shirts. Tag me. Comment if you have any questions or any suggestions on how to do this better. That'll even be good too. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.